You ready? Wait, let's get one of these.
You got one?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. See, look, there's a big butterfly right behind
Whoa,
you.
Dan, get that. Let's see, what is it, Sarah? Here, look and see. Whoa, they're huge.
Look at that one right there.
Ooh, this is a pretty plant.
Ditto, I think. That's ditto. Whoa. Whoa. See that? Look at the bird. It's bird. There's birds in here. Is that good? There's birds in here. So cute.
Butterflies don't win.
Oh, the birdie.
Whoa.
Oh, look at the bird. It's so cute. Be careful. There's one right there. Oh, it's down. No, it's not. Look, it's a blue morphle. It's a blue morphle. And no, be careful. There's one right by your foot. Look at the blue morphle under the bench. It only closed its wings to make it look like a predator.
See where the sidewalk's still wet there? That's why they love to get down there. There's minerals they can get where the sidewalks
Sit that chair
got
and I'll take
salts.
a picture.
There's a butterfly right there, though.
Sit. Here, I'll take a
Thank you, sir.
I played.
Gracie, sit down.
I knew that one listened, but I figured you were, so.
Oh, look at that one. That's a big blue morphle. Look at that.
Gracie.
I just told you.
Gracie.
There's one right there. A big blue morphle.
Right here. Big butterfly.
Sarah, no. Mom, be careful. You're going to step on a big blue morphle. Sarah, no.
It's right on your foot, Dan.
There's a
Oh,
blue
you missed
morphle.
it.
Sarah, no.
Look, Gracie. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Sarah, right there. It's so big. I know. No. I didn't see that one. Look at one of the big ones that we saw.
Oh, I didn't know you got a flip. You like that?
No, they're lame.
Oh, really?
Unless the conditions are perfect like they are right now. They went out of business actually.
Right up there. Oh, you see it? See the big huge one?
No, you don't have to touch it. I know, it's hard. Oh, this is so cool. I have this one. I love this one.
But what if they land on us?
You just eat them.
Whoa, that bird almost got you.
What if they land on us, Mommy?
And you can eat them. Are you allowed to eat them if they land on you?
No. Oh. You gotta do me a favor, don't try and get them on your hands either, and I'll tell you why. Butterflies can't crawl backwards because they only live 2 weeks, so they can't back up. You could actually hurt their legs by getting on you. But if you want them to land on you, stand still with the sun with your hands down. That's all you gotta
Yeah,
do.
we go to that, the butterfly.
World?
Huh?
Butterfly World?
No, it's here in Gainesville. It's where they I have them all of them. They have tours on, what is that?
There's one out towards Melrose and one up towards Brooker.
Melrose. What is that one
Great
called?
House.
Huh?
Great House.
Great House, yeah. And they let them fly on them and then they give them Gatorade.
Big difference in that one and this one. These are imported butterflies. USDA doesn't have any.
Oh, they're imported.
Yes. These are from all around the world. They don't have those here.
So do you keep these all in here then?
Yes, they never leave here.
They never leave. Now, somebody told me that they release them every
We
so
release
often.
butterflies from the lab into here.
Okay.
But for example, blue morphos, they're cats that raise peanuts. If you used to be a peanut farmer before they got loose, you wouldn't be one when you got loose.
Wow.
Yeah, that's why we
Are you going to give Gracie a ticket for that? For having that butterfly in her hair?
What do you, how long do they stay in
They're here
here?
2 or 3 weeks.
There's a butterfly in my hair?
About 1,000 butterflies a week to this.
And then what?
Right here.
Then they die.
How long do they live?
2 or 3 weeks.
Oh, that's
This is a fake butterfly.
Oh, how would I know?
What is the, what,
Looks real to
I don't
me.
know what this, it might be a centipede. We always get these weird centipedes.
On what plant?
They're just on the right.
Whoa, look at that big one.
Kind of fuzzy.
Hey guys, there's a bunch of turtles over here. Really cool one. There's one over here that's not so cool. And there's a guy over there that's all multicolored. He went that way.
Oh, look at
See over there, the little guy?
Look at that huge fish.
Yep. See the turtle over here, the pretty one?
Look at that fish. Look at that teeny tiny.
That's a big one. Here's a colored one over here. See this one?
Oh.
Gracie, come check out this turtle.
Look at the little baby one.
Here's a colored one right here.
Oh, look at that big huge one. Down.
Oh, there's one there too, but there's a colored one over here. That's one I was trying to point out, but nobody will look at it.
Oh, look at that little tiny one.
See the colored one?
Oh, look at that other one right by the plate, right there. Can you see him?
Oh, do you see that little tiny baby?
I just said that.
Oh, I didn't see him. You see him, Gracie?
Yes. Can you see that teeny tiny one?
My camera is not focusing. I don't know what's happening.
There's a turtle.
Sometimes that happens.
This big.
That's what I was saying.
It's like the size of 50 cents.
I see it. That's the one I'm saying.
Oh, you see that one?
I do see that one. It's right next to it.
It's not on that side. It's on that side.
It's even smaller, the right side.
I see it. I see it. It's right there. I see it. Yeah, it's not focused. I don't know why.
What, do you have your settings set right? Or?
I guess that's something weird going on.
Sarah, remember you were asking me about the little flower on your camera? Remember you asked me about the flower in the mountain on your camera? So if you want to take a picture of one of these butterflies up close, to use the flower part.
I hope I heard correctly. There's a Sarah in the building. And there was a butterfly named Sarah, right?
Sarah butterfly?
It's on the chart on the back side, top left. You discover a new time, you get to name it.
Ooh.
Nice. No, right there, Sarah.
Does your name have the H on the end or
Yeah.
not? So that's a different name then. You could
Different
name yours
name.
Sarah with an H.
That's right. Look at that. Yep. And what kind of flower is that,
Yeah.
Sarah?
Well, that's why it's called flowering maple. What it really is a hibiscus.
Oh.
I guess they like cantaloupes and watermelons.
Yeah, and they also love Gatorade.
Gatorade?
Yeah, this happens because in the real rainforest, the canopies can push the sunlight and reach down the forest and the flowers. So those species of canopies out there, they need to be able to do it. Most water butterflies won't feed on seeds unless they get caught. And they will feed on Gatorade on that flower.
Yeah.
You guys know,
That's pretty.
yeah, you got that. You know the story about the Gatorade, where it came from?
Here, here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ooh, look at this. See, I like these.
Well, these pictures aren't even...
My back garden.
Yeah, they're not even going to look real. These pictures are so pretty.
No, I don't know what the deal is with my camera.
You know, if you send it in a Nikon, they'll probably fix it too.
Now this would put me to sleep. Would this put you to sleep listening to this? I mean, this would be nice. This reminds me of when we went to Kona, we went hiking somewhere. All those waterfalls.
Probably on the other side, on the Kilo side.
Kilo, yeah. Oh, no.
Could have been, but there's not so many waterfalls on that side. Look at this one.
Whoa, look at that hibiscus. Whoa.
That's a moth.
Do you see that?
I saw one. I told you they also. This is a blue moth.
I don't think the one in San Francisco is as cool. It's bigger, but I don't think there's... Maybe I just didn't go on the other day. But if you know how that lady was sitting still for us, you can see all kinds of these the birds in the trees and stuff. I wonder if, do you know Gracie had one in her hair?
I know it's blue too. How convenient that you wore, and your wings.
They always seem to be attracted to my there. Look it.
Yeah. Ooh, now that's even prettier. Wow. Pinta. They love that pinta.
What kind is that?
That's pinta.
No.
Look at that butterfly
The
just kind of hanging like that. Wow, look at that. He's not on anything. He's waiting in line.
I know. Because probably all the other ones have been touching.
Nice little butterfly. Very polite butterfly.
My camera is not working. Don't push.
These are also begonias too. There's a lot of different begonias.
How about there? Cliff right there.
That's a hibiscus.
That's a hibiscus.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, it's wonderful.
Some people would call that a mallow, so these are like too much.
There's a, whether that's a mallow
Look at how why he's
pink
licking
one?
it.
The big red one there.
That's the Confederate rose.
Yeah.
Confederate rose. That's what they're selling out front.
Yeah.
These rock growing little round ones that look like
Sedums
cabbages.
and stuff like
Oh
that.
yeah. What? This is. Yeah.
That was hen and eggs, or what is that one? Hen and chick, yeah. The birds are all seed feeders. Most birds wouldn't. And a brilliant stuff to come actually evolved, honey water. Like cinnamon color finches. Yeah, the African bluebirds that look like sparrows right now, they're getting ready to turn orange and black for the summer, and then the button quail back in the back there.
That's it, the quail.
The world's smallest quail. You think cute as a button, you'll remember them. Yeah. Yeah, the adults are really only about tennis ball size too. So.
To attract the butterflies.
Where do you guys live?
We live in Archer.
I know it well. I'm married in Archerville. What you need is two categories of plants, and there are a lot of choices within these categories.
Okay.
Host plants are what caterpillars eat,
Right.
and nectar plants are what adults eat.
Okay.
So, like for example, monarchs only eat milkweed as caterpillars.
Okay, I have milkweed.
Gulf fritillaries and zebra-longs only eat passion flowers. Black swallowtails, you want parsley, fennel, or dill. Different swallowtails, some of them eat sassafras, that's spicewood swallowtails. Ash for tiger swallowtails.
Okay.
We have lists too.
Oh,
You
you
can't
have
remember all
lists?
that.
Okay, yeah,
Get
that's
the list when you're done. There's a Lazy Susan on the counter as you go out, and the lists are right there.
Oh, okay,
One of them
cool.
is a color fold-up. It'd be perfect for them to identify the butterflies in your yard too.
Yeah.
It's native plants and native butterflies.
That's great.
Now, where in Archer you guys live?
Flying 10,
Oh, yeah.
170th.
I know well, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, they say the prettiest girls live in Archer, don't they?
Well, it's, you know, they certainly do. And I'm required by law to say that since I married one. My wife's dad was the beekeeper from Archer. He used
Oh,
to
nice.
Oh, cool.
sell everybody honey and still does.
Just got some bees on one of our runaways.
That's the butterfly? That's a spoke
Ooh, that's pretty.
Black and red generally are warning colors. They tell the
Maybe your camera is set on that macro or
I think it has
change it.
something. I don't know how to do
you know
it
how tall snake has those same colors?
without my.
Black, orange, and yellow? Same thing.